In front of me is iPad Air 2025, and today I would like to show you how you can operate keyboard Clipboard. Begin by launching your keyboard. Now select text you wish to copy or cut. I will go with this word, so I have to click on it and tap on cut or copy in the pop-up, or select one of those icons at the top left corner. Now, if you wish to paste your text, you need to click on Clipboard icon, also at the top left corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!